Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to share full reel on Instagram story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Then just go ahead
Obsessed with you.
and choose the reel that you want to add on your Instagram story. And now, just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the lower right corner of your screen and click on see where to share and copy link. And you want to click on copy link. Now, you want to open any browser and search for InstaVideo Save.net. Okay, you can see that at the upper part of my screen. Again, InstaVideo Save.net. Then just go ahead and paste that link here. Click on download. And I want you to choose is to the download video. Click download. And here you want to check if the video is downloading and click on the share button at the lower left corner of your screen and click on save video. Now let's go back to Instagram app and swipe your finger from left to right and choose the album button at the lower left corner of your screen. Choose the video that you saved earlier and now you can add that to your story. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.